stitching shadows to the bone, making movies on his own. A magician with a sleight of hand, taking me to no man's land. Takes a memory from the shelf and introduces me to myself. He makes me fly without a wing. He makes a silent telephone ring. He writes a script I didn't choose, walking in someone else's shoes. He builds a castle out of smoke, then breaks it like